Hello. So I'm trying to do like a video just for members because this is a little controversial. I just put this in this little glass dome last night, and I really like it. But what this is, I'll take this off, is this is a this is a medical table that I had originally built for Wolfenstein. Wolfenstein's right there, actually. I've got, bag over it to kind of protect it. But it was a little bit too graphic. And so I decided not to, put it in the final of Wolfenstein. And I didn't know what to do with it. It was sitting on a shelf and, and I finally just said, hey, this is kind of cool and it would fit. So I made a little base, kind of grungy base, and then put this in here last night. And so it's like this, it's supposed to be a super soldier that is being built like from parts. So it's like a different arms, different torso, different legs. I put this over it because initially I literally had the spine and like the hip bone like shown, and these legs were kind of laid out down here below it. And yeah, it was a little, I have to admit, it was a little gross. Because it's like this, he's got all these little things, for arteries and yeah, I don't know. But it was, this is one of those examples of something where you kind of get into it and it's like, oh, this is cool. And oh, I can do that. And then when you step back, you're like, oh my gosh, that's really wild. Here's, his brain. You can kind of see he's got electrodes going into his brain coming from somewhere. I had machinery and stuff like that. Oops, man, I almost knocked that thing over. But anyway, so yeah, I thought it would be kind of fun to just show you something that, I don't even want to take it to a model show because it is so grody. But I like it for the fact that it's imaginative, and I was really happy with like the little hemostats and little clamps and stuff like that. I thought, the bones sticking out, the femur and the upper arm and all that kind of stuff, all the gore and the blood. I mean, yeah, it's over the top, but I think it was well done, I guess, is the point that I'm trying to make, which is kind of gross. But anyway, I don't know. So if you don't like this, I'm apologizing, I guess. But it's really a point where I thought I was having fun. It's not meant to, be horrible. But it's kind of, I thought it was kind of cool. So anyway, that is going to go under this little dome. If I cannot break it, that'd be good. And it'll go on a shelf, and that's where it'll stay. But I really like this little dome deal. So anyway, this is... I figured I'd do something for just the Patreons, and also I think I'll do it for members, just for the paying members on YouTube so they can see it. Have a great one. We'll see ya.